Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex and I'm currently doing Vlogmas for December. So definitely subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like Vlogmases, and check out my other videos as well. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little Trader Joe's grocery haul. So I recently went grocery shopping this morning. We have a budget for groceries that is $70 per week. Most of the times I have been noticing that we go under, but we allow ourselves a budget of $70 per week. So just to keep that in mind, I thought I would mention that. Aside from Trader Joe's, I also stopped at a different store to grab some things because I really want to make the Jaclyn Hill's wrap, Taco Bell wrap I think it's called. So I stopped at a different store, so I will show you guys that at the end as well. But that video is coming. I'm really excited. But let's go ahead and get started on with the Trader Joe's haul. Okay, so first thing, I grabbed some spaghetti because we didn't have much left. This is just a standard one. I get the organic pasta from Trader Joe's, so this is just the one that I always get really when it comes to spaghetti. The next thing I got is an avocado. We love avocado on like salads, and also we love it on like breakfast sometimes. It depends on what we want to eat, but we always grab one avocado. And then the other thing is broccoli. We recently grabbed broccoli last week and we're trying to get better at eating more veggies, and broccoli is something that I really love. I love cooked broccoli, and it's so yummy and so tasty. I like to add some seasoning on it. Another thing, when it comes to salads, I love cucumbers on my salads. It depends what type of salad I make, but if I make more of like a side salad instead of an actual meal salad, I like to add cucumbers. The other thing that I got is just some Trader Joe's eggs. So this is the one that I usually get. This is kind of like my go-to. I'm not sure if it's the most affordable at the store, but they're just 1 dozen of large white eggs, so that is what I got. Next, to go with the salads that I like to make with the cucumbers, I grabbed 2 lemons. Next, I got 1 lime. I believe this is a lime, not a lemon. This is a lemon, this is lime, I think. I don't know, help me out down below in the comments. But I got a lime because I used to drink like water with lemon or lime, and I haven't done that in a long time, so I decided to grab one and start doing that all over again because I really loved it back when I did it. I loved warming up hot water and putting lemon or lime in it. Then I also grabbed some English muffins. So these have become a go-to for us when it comes to breakfast. We love splitting one of these and putting like either like butter or an egg on top or avocado or something on top for breakfast. So this has become a go-to. We're so used to it, and we just split one of them in the morning and it's super yummy, and we have it with our tea. Next, I grabbed some mangoes. He really wanted mangoes and we haven't had them in a while. I honestly we don't buy mangoes very often, so it's been a while. So I grabbed 2 of these and I'm really excited because I haven't had mangoes in a very long time. We also grabbed some pears. For fruit, we love having fruit as a snack, so it's been a while since we grabbed like kind of different fruits. We usually sometimes gravitate towards like mandarins or cuties and also bananas, but I think this would be a little bit better just to change it up, so we grabbed 3 of these. Next, I grabbed an onion. I love adding onions to my breakfast sometimes with eggs and spinach and stuff like that, and mushrooms. But this time I grabbed it more for the Jaclyn Hill little wrap that we're going to make, so I grabbed that. I just feel like onions make everything so tastier. So I grabbed some soy chorizo as well. It has been so long since I ate this, you guys. I haven't had this in so long. This is actually vegan. I believe this is vegan and gluten-free. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. This is something that my roommate showed me a long time ago. I think like a couple of years ago, and I loved it. I would have it with like eggs, scrambled eggs, some bell peppers. So yummy. I would mix it in and it was so good, but I haven't had it in a long time, and Caesar really likes it, so we thought we'd grab this again. Next, to go along with that chorizo, we grabbed some bell peppers. So we love having bell peppers. Actually, it's like a go-to, so I grabbed these. I like these little packets because they come in small and I don't have to grab the big ones, and then I also get a variety of the colors, so I like that. Next, I grabbed some meats. So this is a ground beef. I grabbed this for the wrap that we want to make. That's something else. And then we love salmon. We love salmon in this house, especially me more than anything, but Caesar has really like gotten used to salmon now, so we love our salmon. So I grabbed one of these. We love having it with some rice and salad, and it's really yummy. And then we just got these. We have a lot of meat still left, so I thought I'd just grab a little bit. So this is some fresh breast tenders. They look like this. I love making anything with like breaded chicken or anything like that, so we like to incorporate our chicken into like anything pretty much. So I just grabbed one of these, and that is pretty much everything that I got from Trader Joe's. So from the other store, we got some Guerrero tostadas. I think this is what they look like. I don't know if I've tried this brand specifically, but Caesar picked these out when we were looking for things for the recipe for the wrap that we're going to make for you guys, with you guys. So we grabbed these, and then we also grabbed some salt and pepper because I was out totally, like only have salt left, so I needed some pepper, and they only had like this little pack, so I just grabbed this little pack because this is what I used to have anyways. So I grabbed that. We have a little sour cream little container as well. We're not huge on sour cream just because of the lactose situation, but we grabbed this little container to go with the wrap. Then we also are trying out these taco seasonings. So never tried these before, I don't think. Let me know if you have tried these and if you like it. So we just grabbed the original taco seasoning mix. We grabbed 2 of these. And lastly, the thing that will probably be like the biggest thing in here, you guys, look at what we found. So if you know what the Jaclyn Hill wrap is, it's pretty much a wrap that you fold in, and she originally adds like a little tortilla on the middle just for everything to be covered. But we saw these, and instead of buying 2 different sizes of tortillas, we were like, we might as well just grab these. So we grabbed the huge ones, and this should be good enough for us to wrap the wrap. But yeah, this is the last thing that we got, and don't get me wrong, they're huge, they're bigger than my head. So that is pretty much everything that I got for this haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys join. I'm currently doing Vlogmas, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm super like, I'm working my booty off, and don't get me wrong, I'm really enjoying it though. I love putting out content, I love creating content, so I'm really having some fun with it. So I will talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Bye guys.